Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn English 360. Today we are going to learn the use of is, am and are in very simple English. Let's start. What is am, is and are? Am, is, are helping verbs. We use them to talk about people, things and feelings. Use of am. We use am only with I. Examples: I am a student. I am happy. Use of is. We use is with he, she, it and one person or one thing. Examples: he is my brother. She is a teacher. It is a cat. The book is new. Use of are. We use are with you, we, they and more than one. Examples: you are my friend. We are students. They are playing. The boys are happy. So friends, don't make these mistakes. Never say he are my friend. Say he is my friend. Never say I is happy. Say I am happy. Now you know the use of is, am and are. Practice every day to improve your English. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching this video.